White-breasted nuthatches are small birds with a loud call and are known for their noticeably nasal yammering sound. They live in northern Illinois year-round, but we often see them more in our yards during the winter when they feast on our feeder offerings. In the warmer months, nuthatches eat insects, but in the cold of winter they turn to nuts and seeds. You can attract these birds to your yard this season by stocking your feeders with sunflower seeds and large nuts like peanuts, or by adding suet to your offerings. Nuthatches got their name from an unusual behavior. They'll jam an acorn or a large nut into tree bark, then whack it with their bills to hatch the nut. In the winter, nuthatches often forage with chickadees and titmice to make it easier to find food in the wild. Nuthatches nest in cavities or abandoned woodpecker holes and will sometimes mate for life.